Welcome back to another video by Jack, and I'm going to be shouting out two of my friends. One's Tyler, don't know his second, but he goes to the Raws and he's probably watching this video. His name's Tyler, I'm shouting out to him, and Danny, yeah, he goes to the Raws too. They're two of my friends who wanted to get shouted out in a video, so I'm shouting them out right now. And yeah, my room's a tip. You want to see some Doritos? I can't show you my whole room, but that is the lock, what I'm using to lockpick. Do it for you. And I will show you over here. Them are the ones what I've been lockpicking with. Snake Rick, actually I'll give you a review. Let me just move these. 1 minute. Right, let's do a body cam. Da 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 da. Funny pine mountains, we're so quick. Here's the key. Wait. I gotta straighten this out. Here's the key. What's for the? Sorry, mate. I gotta straighten out this. Original lock. Sorry about that. This phone is crap. I hope you can hear me well because you're halfway down my t-shirt. You couldn't really see me there, but lock. Yep. Tension wrench. Do 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 do. 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 Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Don't know what this is, but I don't know where my snake rake is. It's the original rake. You can go search up about it. And there it is, ready. Jeez. Sorry guys about this view, but I need to get this inside the lock. It's hard. There. I'm going to try switch it around. Oh, that's why. There you go, guys. Oh, I didn't get a view. Ah, life is hateful. Alright, let me hold it like that. In, out. Reset the pins. In and out. In and out. Right. Now we've picked it. You take the pick out. Push the tension wrench. And pop the lock. Yeah. I have 2 locks. Let me drag you out here. And that's it. Someone tell me, what kind of pick is that? Where is it? I'll load it straight up. What kind of pick is that? I'll lay it down here. It's like a Batman one. If someone knows what pick that is, please tell me. And yeah, simple. Put your picking gear. Back in the pocket. Well, I was looking down the camera trying to do it, but obviously can't. What I just put the pick in and then just don't want to damage it, so I just wiggle it around and then gently lock. Right, I'm looking. There we go. You can go buy that off eBay. It's a lock with 2 sets of keys. One's hidden down under this bed here, where a safe is. No one's gonna get in the safe, of course. But yeah, shout out to Tyler and already forgot your name. Danny and Tyler. Shouting out from Rose School because you only see my videos. So yeah, and that's gonna be it. And I'll see you all later. Peace.